Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. Circle F in the xy plane is represented by the equation x negative 13 the whole square, positive y negative 9 the whole square equals to 196. Circle G is obtained by shifting circle F of 5 units to the left and 11 units up. An equation representing circle G is 2x positive h the whole square, positive 2y positive k the whole square equals to L, where h, k and L are constants. What is the value of h positive, k positive, L? Okay, here we have the equation of circle F. In the equation of circle F, if I apply the two translations, horizontal translation of 5 units to the left and vertical translation of 11 units up, I'll be getting the equation of circle G. Okay, so when I apply these two translations and I get circle G, it has to be compared to the given equation of circle G over here, so that we'll be able to get the values of the constants h, k and L, and we can get the value of the expression h positive, k positive, L. Okay, so first let me take the equation of the circle F over here. Let me write it. So we get x negative 13 the whole square positive y negative 9 the whole square equals to 196. Okay, now let's understand the translations we have over here. Okay, first let's understand the horizontal translation of y units to the left. On an xy plane, usually we consider the variable x on the horizontal axis. So whenever we do horizontal translation to the left, so what I need to do is I have to add this 5 to the variable x. So this x positive 5 represents horizontal translation of 5 units to the left. So to apply this horizontal translation of 5 units to the left in the equation of circle F, what I need to do is I have to replace the x by this x positive 5. Okay, now let's understand the vertical translation of 11 units up. Usually we consider the variable y on vertical axis in xy plane. So when I do vertical translation of 11 units up, what I need to do is I have to subtract this 11 from the variable y. Okay, so when I replace this y by this y negative 11, that represents a vertical translation of 11 units up. Okay, now to apply these two translations in the equation of the circle, what I need to do is I have to replace this x by x positive 5 and replace this y by y negative 11. So when I do so, I'll be getting the equation of circle G, because the question clearly says the equation of circle G can be obtained by doing these two translations. Okay, now let me apply these two translations over here. Then I'll be getting the equation of circle G. So that is x. So this x is going to be replaced by this x positive 5. So x positive 5 negative 13 the whole square positive, and this y has to be replaced by y negative 11. So y negative 11 negative 9 the whole square equals to 196. Okay, now I got the equation of circle G by applying these two translations in the equation of circle F. Okay, now let me do the simplification. So x, when I combine positive 5 and negative 13, I'm getting x negative 8 the whole square positive. When I combine this negative 11 and negative 9, I'm getting y negative 20 the whole square equals to 196. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 4. What's the reason behind it? Why should I multiply both sides of the equation circle G over here by 4? So because in the given equation of circle G, so this x is multiplied by this y is multiplied by 2. So I have to get the equation of circle G over here exactly in this form, so that I can compare these two equations and I can get the values of h, k and L. So to get 2x and 2y in the equation of the circle G over here, I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 4. Okay, first let me multiply the stuff on the left side by 4. That is 4 times x negative 8 the whole square positive y negative 20 the whole square. And the right side also multiplied by 4, that is 4 times 196. So now I can distribute this 4 to x negative 8 the whole square, then I'm getting 4 times x negative 8 the whole square positive. When I distribute this 4 to this one, I'm getting 4 times y negative 20 the whole square equals to, when I multiply this 196 by 4, I'm getting 784. The next step, this 4 can be written as 2 square, then I'm getting 2 square times x negative 8 the whole square positive, the same thing. 2 square times y negative 20 the whole square equals to 784. Here two terms are multiplied with the same exponent, that is 2, 2. So whenever two terms are multiplied with the same exponent, what we can do is we can multiply the bases and we can take this exponent in common. Okay, let me continue over here. So that is 2 times x negative 8 the whole square. So the same thing for this one too. So the two terms are multiplied over here with the same exponent. We can write the exponent 2 in common. Then I'm getting 2 times y negative 20 the whole square equals to 784. Okay, now I can distribute this 2 to x and negative 8. When I do so, I'm getting 2x and negative 16 the whole square positive. So the same thing, 2 can be distributed this y and negative 20. I'm getting 2y negative 40 the whole square equals to 784. So this is the equation of circle G. I get it from the equation of the circle F. by applying the two transformations given over here. Already we have the equation of circle G in the question itself. That is 2x positive h the whole square, positive 2y positive k the whole square equals to L. So now we can compare the equation of circle G over here, the equation of circle G given in the question, so that I can get the values of the constants h, k and L. So for that, let me write the given equation of circle G over here. That is 2x positive h the whole square, positive 2y positive k the whole square equals to L. Okay, so both the equations are represent the same stuff. That is the equation of circle G. So now what I can do is I can compare. So the h and the value we have over here. At the place of h in here we have negative 16. So what's the value of h? H is equal to negative 16. At the place of k we have negative 40. So k is equal to negative 40. At the place of L we have 784. So L is equal to 784. Okay, now I got the values of the constants h, k and L. So our aim is to find the value of the expression h positive, k positive, L. So for this h we can plug in negative 16. For this k we can plug in negative 40. And for this L we can plug in 784. Okay, when I combine this negative 16 and negative 40, I'm getting negative 56 positive 784. Okay, now what I need to do is I have to combine this negative 56 and positive 784. When I combine them, I'm getting positive 728. So now I got the value of the expression h positive, k positive, L. So its value is 728.